I forgot yeah, this we can take already. You can take shower there.
Oh my god. No, it's stopping. Guys, it's stopping the rain. We are
Go
fucked.
under this.
But my head is full of shampoo and it's stopping the rain.
You didn't go here. Oh, this is so good.
Oh my god. Wanna take a video?
Wait. Let me try to watch this.
What the fuck is going on with this one?
It's so working.
So it's still not clean the dishes. I forgot to bring.
Wow, my guys, my hair was never clean like now.
You need
What? The soap?
yeah, just to put under there, and this I will take because then it's going to be clean.
Wow,
Oh, it's a lot.
Yeah, we have to go like
that what looks like shit.
Thanks.
Hi.
It's gone.
It's kind of gone. You need to hurry up.
Okay.
Come on, oh, there is another one over here.
Want another shower? It's a cleaning shower.
Fuck. I would help you, but I'm recording this for our grandchildren.
Okay, this is scenery like my bed.
Oh my god.
And a still cake.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, you go. You go with the video. Wow,
I have the only towel I have is outside drying right now. The only towel I have is outside drying. My towel.
Oh. Yeah, but what's the situation there?
It's better than it was, but I don't want to show that on the video. But I think it's actually locked.
What?
The toilet.
Okay, don't show it, don't show.
There you go.
Okay. Whoa.
What's with the shit?
Wait, don't. We are not showing it on the video, okay? And we are not talking about it.